Welcome to this new video. We are going to discover how the manipulation condition works together. It's a condition where you need to manipulate an interactive object to make it valid. So for example, if you grab and hold an object, this could make the manipulation condition valid. For this example, we are going to use some kind of a green light stick, an interactive object, a green light stick, and when we manipulate it, we will turn its light on. So let's go inside our project. Let's check the hierarchy over here, and let's look for the light green off interactive object here. I'm gonna open the little arrow, and then I'm gonna select interaction. If it's closed, you can open the little arrow here again. I'm going to select the manipulate condition, and now we have new information in the inspector. So I'm going to scroll a bit, and I can see that here there is already the action that is created, which is to activate the light green on and to deactivate the light green off. So what we need to do now is just to create the condition. So I'm going to click on add condition, and I'm going to select manipulate. Now, if I scroll a bit more to see the manipulate condition, I can see that check if the user grab or levitate an object using manipulation. So I can choose either hand or left or right. So I'm going to keep either hands because I'm not sure yet if I will grab it from the left or the right controller. I'm going to select manipulate for the mode. And here, be careful. Make sure manipulation is enabled at the root of your target object. In that case, the target object is written here. It's itself, the light green off interactive object that we chose at the beginning. So let's just verify together that manipulation is enabled at the root. So I'm going to click again on it, the inspector update. I scroll to the top, and here I have this information. I can see that enable manipulation is already checked because I did it before. But if it's not the case, you should enable it and verify that the manipulation mode is set to grab in that case. Okay, let's go back to our interaction. And now that we made sure that manipulation is enabled, we are just going to add a minimum duration. And let's say we are going to set 2 seconds. So we have to manipulate it to kind of grab and keep it for 2 seconds to make this condition valid. This last thing, if condition turns something, so the reset count. So this is basically what happens if before the end of the 2 seconds you stop grabbing the object, for example. Do you keep the time you spent grabbing the object, or do you reset this kind of timer? In our case, we just let on the default one, which is reset count, because I think it just makes sense that if we drop it before 2 seconds, we just have to wait again 2 seconds. Anyway. Now we are going to go back into VR by pressing the play button, and let's see if it works. Okay, so now we are in VR, and I'm going to look for the green light, and I can see that it's over there. So I'm going to move towards it. I'm going to get close enough. I'm going to use my right controller because we can use either, and I'm going to grab it. And you see, I just waited 2 seconds, and now this little light was off, and now it's on. So congratulations, you just made the manipulate condition work. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you again, and congratulations.